angels. So today I'm going to be going completely platinum. We're going to be highlighting my hair. I'm going to be going to my hairstylist Maribel. You guys already know by now if you guys follow me on all my socials. She's always doing my hair. She's been doing my hair for over a year, probably like a year and a half. She's a hair genius. So basically she's the best of the best. But today we're going to be going back to platinum. I'm so excited right now. I don't have my extensions in, so my hair is a little bit thin. But that's the point of care tips. And also I am going to be getting 22-inch platinum care tips after we do some more highlights in my hair. So right now, as you can see, it is very blonde, but I am going to be making it a little bit lighter so it's more like icy white. And then we're going to be applying the care tips that are 22 inches, so it's also going to add thickness and length. Let's go on to this adventure, but before, we're going to be going to Starbucks.